Hey, this is Glenn from Digital Synergy, and in a moment, I'll be doing a Groovepages review and answering the question if Groovepages is the best sales funnel software on the market or not. So stay tuned. So one of the most common questions I get regarding Groovepages is, what is Groovepages and what is GrooveFunnels and what's the difference? So I will get to that first. So GrooveFunnels is a suite of software applications designed to build a sales funnel as well as websites. It was designed by Mike Filsame, who is also one of the developers of Kartra, EverWebinar, and Webinar Jam. Now these are all great marketing applications that are on the market right now. However, Mike split with his partners and decided on his mission to make the best all-in-one marketing platforms on the market, which is what GrooveFunnels is. And Groovepages is actually just one component of GrooveFunnels, and it is the funnel builder and the website builder. There's no other sales funnel software on the market that creates websites as well, which makes it very unique. And I'm also going to give you a look inside of Groovepages in a moment, but first I want to tell you why I think Groovepages is on track to be the best sales funnel on the market. And the reason I say it's on track is because right now they are in beta. So they're still working on it, they're still making improvements, and they haven't rolled it out officially. That's the reason why you should know it's actually completely free. That's right, you can just click on the link below in the description and you can just create an account. They won't even ask you for a credit card or anything like that because it's not a free trial. It's actually free for life. So you really need to get in while you can. I'm not sure how long they're going to keep this available. So when you get to the site from the link below in the description, you just click on here and you'll be able to input your information to create an account. Now, I will tell you that this is basically just a basic version of Groovepages, as they also have a Groovepages Pro version, which you can upgrade to if you like. However, the basic version is more than enough, and pretty much everything you need to get started, because it does have unlimited products and funnels, as you can see here in the description. But one of the limitations, or really the only main restriction, is that you can only have up to 3 custom domains. So basically that means, most people only have one business. But with this case, you can actually have up to 3 different custom domains, so that's good. Now, if you know anything about funnel builder software, you might have heard of some of Groovepages and GrooveFunnels' major competitors, such as Kartra, Leadpages, and ClickFunnels. But what makes this funnel builder different is that it loads its pages way faster, and this is a huge advantage for SEO. Search engine optimization, which means your pages are going to rank higher in the search engine. Now the reason is a little technical, but basically the reason it's faster is because the code is mostly loaded on the browser itself, and it does not have to, what they call, make requests to a separate database. And most page builders use outdated technology on a technology called Bootstrap, which is now about 10 years old. And in internet years, that's really, really ancient. And another reason Groovepages and GrooveFunnels is superior, in my opinion, is because it's the only software that uses what's known as mobile first indexing. And this simply means that Google will now only use the mobile version of your site for indexing and ranking your pages. And again, this means that your pages will rank higher than those that are building on pages with an older technology. Now, another advantage to Groovepages is that it actually gives you free web hosting. That's right, no more fees for hosting. And that's because Groovepages are hosted on Google's cloud platform. And this means even more faster loading speeds. You should also know that Groovepages has already surpassed Leadpages, Kartra, and ClickFunnels in 2020, making it the leading website and funnel builder on the market, with more than 1 million users forecasted by the end of 2020. Not only that, when you sign up for free for a Groovepages account below in the description, you also get GrooveSell and Groove Affiliate, which is a powerful sales and affiliate platform that is also part of the GrooveFunnels suite. Just think of it as something similar to Samcart or Pay Kickstart. It basically allows you to sell digital products, e-courses, and services online. All right, so we're going to go ahead and take a look inside. But the one thing that I do want you to keep in mind that at this time of creating this video, the we are still in what they're calling a beta phase, and that simply means that they're still adding features, making improvements, and fixing any bugs. So just a word of warning there. So if you don't really want to deal with that kind of thing, I would suggest that you just keep your current solution. However, this is definitely something you want to get. There's no reason not to wait to sign up, because I'm not sure how long they're going to offer this for free. When you get it for free, you'll be grandfathered in. You'll have this version, the light version, as well as Groove Sell and Groove Affiliate for life. I'm not sure if that's going to change in the future once they go out of beta. So yeah, it's best to go ahead and sign up now. So let's take a peek inside and see. So when you go ahead and you sign up below and you create your account, it's going to take you to basically this dashboard. And I'm not going to go, I've gone over some of this more in depth in other videos, so you can check that out on my channel. But basically, this is what you see. If you want to know more about the upgrade, you can go here. If you want to know more about their affiliate program, here. They have a Groove Academy. There's webinar trainings, tutorials. They have a Facebook page and all that stuff. So what I want to do is I want to show you when you basically what you're getting for free. Now I've upgraded because it's definitely going to be well worth the money that's saved, because once they go out of beta, they are going to go into a recurring monthly like everyone else. And I believe the basic version will start at $99, and it's still going to be a good deal at that point, because it's going to give you more than any of its competitors. But anyway, I want to show you inside real quick. They've actually just released some templates. They're rolling them out, and they're looking really good. So when you click on that, basically this shows you some of the projects that you'll have. Yours will be empty when you first start out your account, but then you just go ahead and you hit a new site, and then from here you can basically start from scratch, and you'll basically get a blank template, or you can choose from their template. So this is basically what I want to show you. Right now they're actually in the process of rolling out more and more templates. They should be rolling out more this month and continue as we move ahead. But they've really have some nice looking templates that they've got going on here. I want to show you some of them. So this is one for an example for massage. So again, very clean, crisp, modern looking, really, and most importantly, as we mentioned, really fast. It loads so fast, as you can see here. And then another example here, and I'll be taking you inside to show you how you can edit some of these elements. But this is really cool, using what they call parallax image in the background. This is for, if you have some sort of restaurant or something like that. And obviously it doesn't have to be for a restaurant. You can just take this template and change it up and use it for whatever you like. But again, I just wanted to show you some examples of some of the newer templates that they're coming out with. And here's another one. This is for maybe a training course that you have online. It's got an opt-in form right here, plus some additional information, basically what you'll learn. But again, just giving you an overview, giving you an inside look as to what some of these templates are starting to look like. They're really nice. And then here's another one. This is for, looks like a medical kind of a thing. And I'll go ahead and show you real quick to go inside and see, just give you some features inside real quick here. So if we go back and we go ahead and click on a new site, again, we can go to the templates and we can just choose any one of these that we want. So let's go ahead, and you can preview it first, so you can just go ahead and click preview if you want to take a look at it. Let you preview, but let's go ahead and select that. Just kind of give you an inside look as to how it actually works inside. Now again, and you'll see this banner here underneath, it shows you that they're still in beta. If you want to report any bugs, you can do that. You can request features. You can see a roadmap of where they're at. But basically, this is it. It's pretty simple. It's if you've used any kind of drop and drag editor, it that's the concept, but actually there's no other, like ClickFunnels doesn't do what this does and what it's going to do. Now, for now, they've got these sections here on the left, which is blocks, elements, pages, and pop-ups, and these are basically everything that you need to create or to modify your pages. So if you just wanted to start with this, you could click on here and you could just go to the background, and you can choose an image, change the image, you can delete the image, you can basically make it parallax. Okay, so what that means is it basically moves everything outside of the page. As you scroll up, you see how that remains static. So it just gives it kind of a cool effect there. So you can do that. You can come in and you can change just by clicking in here, and you know, you can just change the content however you like, and it's as easy as that. You know, you just click in here. You can click on in. Just click in here, and then you can go ahead and make any of these changes here to what you're working with. So I have that selected. If we want, I'm working with the text, I can change the font size. If you click on here, double click on it, you'll get basically this menu here that works like you know, just a standard word processor. I can bold it, I can italicize it, underline it, all that kind of stuff. If I want to change the color, I can change the color here. I wouldn't use this green, but just as an example, we'll go ahead and change that to green. We can work with the buttons in the same way. So if I wanted to change it to another font, I just change it here, just like that. So really, really very easy. Now, I just wanted to show you, and again, like, you just click on this box. So this basically highlights this entire box, and this is the element that I'm or the block rather, that I'm working with, and I can just delete it. I can create a clone of it. So let's go ahead and copy that. See, it makes a clone, but obviously I don't want that. I don't want an exact clone of that, so I can just go back and I can delete that, and it'll ask you if you want to be sure if you want to delete it. And then you know, I could go on for days with all the features that it has in here. I'm not going to do that because I do that in a couple of other videos that I have, so feel free to go check those out. But you can see here all the elements. You can change the type of elements that you have. So if you're dealing with headlines, the type of headline that you have, paragraphs, a paragraph and title, types of buttons, media, YouTube videos. You can add Vimeo, you can add a carousel. You can mess with the forms when you create a link to a form. All of these things, you have very easy access. And again, this is all functional right now. This is actually this is not even what it's gonna finally look like. It's actually gonna have a section here, I believe, that's gonna say funnels, and it's gonna show you every step in your funnel. But as of right now, since it's in beta, you can still create your funnels. It's very functional. You can still create pages, you can create funnels, you can create websites. It's just gonna be, the user interface is gonna change with the added functionality that it's going to have. So I just wanted to give you that quick Groovepages review. I hope it was helpful. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and make sure you hit the notify bell. So you'll be notified of my latest videos, where I'll have more tips and tricks on Groovepages, Groovefunnels, as well as online marketing. So don't forget, click the link below in the description to get your free account of Groovepages. Remember, it's totally free. They're not even going to ask you for a credit card unless, of course, you want to upgrade. Also, if you sign up with my link below, you're also going to get access to a free training that shows you how to rank any product and service on top of Google and YouTube using free traffic, so you never have to worry about paying for ads again. Just click the link below, and I'll see you next time.